First of all, I would like to welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 14 for grade 2 mathematics. In the last class, we completed the practice zone, which is on page number 20. Here we completed 4 questions. These questions were related to the topic more than and less than. And the topic is skip counting in ones, skip counting in twos, skip counting in threes, skip counting in fives, skip counting in tens, and skip counting in hundreds. So a quick revision, what you have learned, how we completed question number 1 to 4. Then we will study even and odd numbers, and we will complete the practice zone of even and odd numbers too. Question number 1 was about write the number that is 1 less than 259, guys. So to write 1 less than 259, you will check the number which comes before 259. So that is 258. So 258 is the answer. Question number 2 was write the number that is 10 more than 621. So you can find 10 more than 621 by adding 10 in 621 like this. When you add 10 in 621, it will be 631. Or you can just add 1 in 2, like this 1 same and this 2 will be same. In that way you can also do like you learned in escape counting in tens. In both way you will find the same answer, which is 631. Question number 3 was about write the number that comes between 511 and 513. So 511, after 511, 512, and then 513. So which number comes between 511 and 513? So that number is 512. So either you can check the number which comes after 511, or you can check the number which comes before 513. In both way you will find the same answer, that is 512. Question number 4 was related to escape counting and the patterns. So question number 4, there are 2 parts in question number 4. What number comes next and describe the number pattern. So the first one is that identify the pattern and write the missing number. And the second part is that in the pattern what's going on. The pattern is about what are you counting in ones, twos, threes, fours, fives, tens, what? Okay, are you counting or are you counting back? So this is about the second part. So the first pattern, the first was A is 815, 816, 817, and 818. This was the easiest. After 818, 819. This is you are simply counting. Okay, you are counting in ones. So 818, after 818, 819 comes, and here you write that I am counting on in ones, or we are counting on in ones. B is 320, 330, 340, 350, then 360. How do you know 360? Because here you are skip counting in tens. 3 and 0 are constant, but the numbers on the 10 is changed by adding 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, then it should be 6. So only you are adding 1 in the tens, that's mean you are counting in tens. So 360 is the answer, and you will say that I count on in tens. Okay, here you are adding tens. Then C was 693, 696, 699, 702. So in order to know what will be the next number, you should identify the pattern. And to identify the pattern, I am using drawing lines. You can use your fingers. I will start counting from 693 and check up to how many lines I will reach 696. So this is 694, 695, and 696. So I count up to 3 and I reach 696. 697, 698, 699. That's mean I am counting on in threes. So after 702, I will count 3 and I will find the next number. 703, 704, 705. So 705 is the next number. And here we are counting on in threes. This is we finish. Then on D, it is 285, 290, 295, 300. Again, if you don't know the pattern, what is the pattern? Start counting in your fingers or drawing by drawing lines. 286, 287, 288, 289, and then 290. So I reached to 290 after counting up to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I count up to 5 and I reach 290. That's mean here we are counting in fives. We are counting in fives. So After 300, I count in fives and I will find the next number. 301, 302, 303, 304, and 305. I write 305 and I also write, I count on in fives. So up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Very good, very good, very good.
Sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Then we also had an introduction yesterday about even number and odd number. So guys, what are even numbers? Even numbers are also the double of even numbers are the numbers which are actually divisible by 2. I told you even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2, or in easy way you can say which can come in the table of 2, okay, by the numbers which you can divide by 2. How you will identify the numbers are even or not? For that, we learned that you will have to check the last digit. If the last digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. If the last digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the whole number will be called even number. Okay. If the last digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the whole number will be called even number. Let's suppose I say, I give you the example 92. So in 92, 2 is the last digit. So this is even number. Okay. Or guys, I can also say if the last digit is, if the last digit comes in the table of 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8, all comes in the table of 2. Okay. Just remember about 0 as well, that if the 0 is the last digit, then the number will be also even. And also remember that if the last digit is, if the last digit comes in the table of 2, then it is a even number. So 2 comes in the table of 2. 2 is the last digit. That's mean it is even number. Let's take one more example, guys. It is 76. So the last digit is 6. 6 is the last digit. So here you can find 6, or 6 comes in the table of 2. So 76 is also even number. And this is 52. So 2 is the last digit. Okay. 2 is the last digit. So this is 2 and 2 comes in the table of 2. So 52 is an even number. Or I can say 60. So 0 is the last digit. Okay. So 60 is even number. Okay. Or I can say 34. Okay. So 4 is the last digit, or 4 comes in the table of 2. That's why 34 is even number. Is it clear, guys, how to identify even number?
Yes, sir.
Very good. If the last digit of any number is either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then the whole number will be even number. Or if the last digit comes in the table of 2, or it is 0, that's mean it is even number. In any way you can find out. Okay. Now guys, I am going to ask you about some numbers and you will tell me whether it is an even number or not. I'm going to give you some numbers and I will ask you whether a number is an even number or not. Tell me about 64. Answer me in the chat box, guys. 64 is the even number or odd number? 64. Anas Muhammad, very good. Hamzal Sayyed, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Guys, I'm going to make your chat private so that no one can see your answers. Ahmad Al Khalf, very good. Hamzi Muhammad, very good. Amir, it is wrong. Okay. Abdullah, very good. Very good, Anas Fahad. Amjad Abdullah, very good. Awab Muhammad, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. Al-Haj, very good. All right, guys. I'm going to open your mics and you will say, guys, is it even number or odd number?
Even. Even number. Even. Even. Even.
Very good. This is even number. How do you know? Because 4 is the last digit and 4 comes in the table of 2. Okay. So you will say 64 is even number. Now, if I change the number, if I say it is 26, (26) is even number or odd number? Yes, guys, answer me in the chat box. 26 is even number or odd number? Hamad, I'm asking 26 is even number or odd number? Anas Muhammad, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. (26) is it even number or odd number? Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Hamad Al Kalf, very good. Anas Ahmad Kabil, very good. Hamza Al Sayyed, very good. Awab Muhammad, very good. Azam Saleh, very good. Amir, very good. Al Haj, very good. Very good, Abdullah. Okay, let's take one student. Abdul Rauf.
Yes, sir.
26 is even number or odd number?
Even number.
How do you know?
Because the 6 number is the even number.
Okay, because the last digit is 6 and 6 is even number or 6 comes in the
Even.
table of 2. Okay, that's very good. Thank you. So exactly, guys, 26 is even number. As Abdul Rauf said, the last digit is 6 and 6 comes in the table of 2. Okay, that's why it is even number. Now I'm going to give you one more number, and that is 38. Tell me about 38, guys. Is it even number or odd number? 38. Ibrahim Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Al Kalf, very good. 38. Amir, very good. Anas Ahmad Kabil, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Anas Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, I'm asking, is it even number or odd number? Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Awab Muhammad, very good. No, Azam Saleh. Check again. Okay. Abdul Malik Hassan. Abdul Malik Hassan. Can you hear me? Abdul Malik Hassan. Can you hear me? Abdullah Hisham. Anas Ahmad Kabil.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me about 38. Is it even number or odd number?
Even.
How do you know?
Because
Yes, the last digit is
last last number is 8 and the
Mhm.
8 is table 2.
Very good, very good, very good. Exactly, guys. 38 is even number. How do you know? Because 8 is the last digit and 8 comes in the table of 2. That's why 38 is even number. Or you can also say because 8 comes, because the last digit is 8, that's why it is even number. Because you know, if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then it will be even number. All right, guys. Now, let's talk about the odd number. What are the odd numbers, guys? When a number has the digit 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 in the ones place, then we say the number is odd. Like in even number, we see the number have the last digit or the digit on the ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the number last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is odd. And if it is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then it is odd. If it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is even. Okay, look here. If you write a counting from 0, okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the red ones, numbers 0, skip 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even numbers, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are the odd number. So if the last digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, that's mean it is even. If the last digit of any number is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, that's mean it is odd. And odd numbers are the numbers which are not divisible by 2. Okay, you cannot divide odd number by 2. If you divide odd number by 2, you will get the answer in fraction. Okay, so odd numbers are the numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2, right? What are odd numbers? Odd numbers are the numbers which are exactly not divisible by 2. And even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. Okay, so to identify the even number, you need to check the last digit. The last digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And if you are looking for odd number, then the last digit should be 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, yes.
Very good. I give you the examples for the odd number, guys. Look here. 41. In 41, the last digit is 1. And 1 is an odd number. So 41 is an odd number. Let's suppose if I say 53. In 53, the last digit is 3. 3 is an odd number. So 53 is an odd number. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 are odd numbers. So if the last digit are odd number, that's mean they are odd numbers. Okay. If let's suppose 69, the last digit is 9. 9 is an odd number. That's why 69 is odd number. Okay. Let's suppose if I say 37. So the last digit is 7. And 7 is an odd number. That's why 37 is an odd number. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Very good, very good. Now I will take 1 or 2 questions, then we will come to the question number 1 exercise. Practice on. Tell me about this. 63 is even number or odd number? Okay, Abdul Malik Hassan. Anas Fahad, very good. Anas Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Al Khulf, very good. Amjul Sayyid, very good. Amir, very good. 63 is an odd number or even number? Amir, very good. Awab, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Ibrahim Muhammad, very good. Anas Ahmad Kabil, very good. Anas Fahad, very good. Hamza Muhammad, Sami Al Hiji, very good. Let's take one student and ask about it. Abdullah Hisham.
yes, yes.
Abdullah Hisham, 63 is even number or odd number?
What?
63. Is it even number or odd number?
Oh,
How do you know it is odd?
because
Yes.
is
Last digit is
3.
3. And 3 is an odd number. Okay. That's very good. So 63 is an odd number. Let's take one more example, guys. 77. Yes, guys, 77 is an even number or odd number? Very good, Ahmad Al Khalf. No, Muhammad Saleh. Very good, Abdul Malik Hassan. Very good, Hamza Muhammad. Very good, Anas. Anas Ahmad and Anas Muhammad both. Abdul Rauf, very good. Amir Al Faleh, very good. Let's take one student, and this is Abdullah Saad. Abdullah Saad. Abdullah Saad, can you hear me? Al-Haj, can you hear me? Al-Haj.
Sir,
Yes, Al-Haj. 77, even number or odd number?
odd number.
Odd number. How do you know? Because yes.
Because it's 1, 3, 5, 7.
Mhm. Because the last digit is 7.
In
Yes.
odd.
That's very good. That's very good.
Because the last is 7 and odd is from the 7 from odd.
Okay, okay, very good. I got it. I got it. That's very good because the last digit is 7 and 7 is an odd number. That's why 77 is an odd number. That's very good. All right, guys. So let's move to the practice zone. On the practice zone, the question number 1 is look at these numbers. Are they even or odd? Okay. So A, I am going to do it for you. B, C, D, E, and F. You will help me to complete it. Okay. So look at A. This is 203. 203. So as I told you guys, forget about the number on the 100 and on the tens. Just check the number which is on the ones place, or check the number, check the last digit. The last digit is 3. So the last digit is 3. Whenever the last digit is 3, so the number is odd because 3 is an odd number. Whenever the last digit is 3, 5, 7, 9 or 1, that's mean it is odd number. So I will write this is odd number. Are they even or odd? I will say this is odd. This is odd. This is odd. Now you will help me to write about 312, 312 guys. 312 is an even number or odd number? 312. Answer me in the chat box, guys. 312, even number or odd number? Hamza Muhammad, very good. 300 and Hamza Muhammad. No, check your again. 312. Ahmad Al Khalf, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. 312. Check out the last digit, guys. In 312, last digit is 2. Okay. So 312 is even number or odd number? No, Amir. Ammar Yasir, very good. Amjad Abdullah, very good. Hamzal Sayyed, very good. Anas Muhammad, very good. Awab Muhammad, very good. Anas Fahad, very good. Abdullah Isham, yes, 312 is even number or odd number? Al-Haj, check your answer again. Azam Saleh, very good. All right, I'm going to take one student. Anas Fahad.
Yes, sir.
312. Anas? Even number or odd number? 3, 1, and
Even
2.
number.
How do you know?
Even.
How do you know?
Because 2. 1. 1 is.
Because 2 is the last digit and 2 is an even number. Okay, very good.
Because last one.
Because the last digit is 2. That's why it is even number. Okay. Because the last digit is 2 and 2 comes in the table of 2. So that's why it is even number. So 312 is an even number, guys. So write even. Write even here on page number 21. This is even. Now for C, guys. C is 919. 919. 919. Is it even number or odd number? 919. 919. Is it even number or odd number, guys? Very good. Ahmad Al Khalil from Jal Sayyid Amir Anas Muhammad Anas Ahmad Abdul Malik Hassan Jamal Badr Abab Muhammad Samia Hiji. Very good. Let me take one student, guys, and I'm going to take now Ahmad Muhammad. Ahmad Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
919. C. Even number or odd number?
Odd number.
Odd number. How do you know?
Because 8, 9 is odd.
Yes, very good.
8, 9, 9,
Mhm.
1 and 3 and 5 and 7 and 9 is odd.
Very good, very good, very good. That's exactly correct answer, perfect answer, guys, because 9 is an odd number. So 9 is the last digit. So I will say that this is an odd number because the last digit is 9. Because the last digit is 9. Now, guys, 420. 420. 420. Is it even number or odd number? Yes. Very good, Muhammad Saleh, Ahmad Al-Kal, Famir, Anas Muhammad, Abdullah Sham, no. Azam Saleh, very good. Samia Hiji, very good. Awab Muhammad, very good. Anas Fahad, very good. Ammar Yasir, very good. Hamza Al Sayyed, very good. Amjad Abdullah, very good. Jamal Badr, very good. Abdul Malik Hassan, very good. Ahmad Muhammad, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Abdullah Sham, Abdul Rauf, very good. Let's take one student, guys. And Amjad Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
420. Even number or odd number? 420. Is it even number or odd number?
Even.
Even. How do you know?
Because
Yes, the last digit.
0.
Very good. Because the last digit is 0. That's why it is even number. So guys, 420 is even number. Write even here. This is even number. Now E 717. Yes, guys, 717. Even number or odd number? 717. This one. 717. Even number or odd number? Very good. Azam Saleh, Amir, Abdullah Isham, Ahmad Al Khalil, Fumar Yasir, Sami Al Hiji, Anas Muhammad, Jamal Badr, Muhammad Saleh, Ahmed Muhammad. Very good. Let's take one student. Amir.
Yes, sir.
717. Even number or odd number?
Odd.
How do you know?
7.
Because the last digit is 7 and 7 is an odd number. Right?
7 odd number.
That's very good. So the answer is, guys, odd number because 7 is the last digit and 7 is an odd number. So write odd. And 834 I'm writing that is even number. Why? Because the last digit is 4 and 4 is an even number. Now guys, on page number 25, I gave you this question as a homework. Question number 1. This was yesterday homework. I mentioned it in weekly plan. Did you complete question number 1?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Okay, I'm going to write the answers for that. Please check your answers. 215, that's mean 215. 215 means 215. 400. 400, so you write 4 first, then 40. So 440, 440. This is the answer. Then 534. So 534. 500, then 34. So this is the answer, 534. You have to write this in 719, 91. So write 7, then 9, and then 1. 91, 791. Then 832. Because there are 800, so you write 8 first. 30 means 3, then 2. 832. This is you have already practiced a lot. 832. And 945. So 9, then 4, then 5. 9, then 4, then 5. This is the answer. 215, 215, 440. 440. 440. 434, 534, 534, 791, 791, 832, 832, and 945, 945. Check your answers, guys. Check my answers as well. All are correct?
Correct.
Very good. In question number 2, guys, what you have to do, you have to write these number in words. Unit, ones, tens, and 100. So how many 100? 300. Write 3 first. 300, and then what? 10. So this is 310. 310. So write 310 here. 445. Ones, tens, 100. There are 400. So write 4, F-O-U-R-H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 400. Then again 4. 404. 4 on the tens place. That's mean 40. And then 5. 445. 445. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
704. Ones, tens, 100. How many hundreds are there? 700. So write 7 first. S-E-V-E-N 7. Then 100. No tens. So just write the one. 704. The answer is 704. 704. D. Again, guys, 808. 8 ones, 0 tens, and 8 hundreds. How many hundreds? 8. So write 8 hundreds. EIGST 8, HUNDRED. 800 and EIGST 8. 808. This is the answer here. 903. Unit, I mean ones, 3 ones, 0 tens, and 9 hundreds. So write 900 and THR double E 3. 903. This is the answer. Check answers, guys. 310, 310, 445, 445, 704, 704, 808, 808, 903, 903. Check answers, guys. Are they correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good, very good. So we finished question number 1, question number 2 of page number 25. This is testing zone. Okay, page number 25, testing zone. Inshallah, tomorrow we will start from question number 3. Testing zone, question number 3, question number 4. Then on page number 26, question number 5, 6, and 7. We'll try to finish all these questions tomorrow. Okay, so we have only 1.5 minutes left. So is there any problem whatever we have studied today? Do you have any question, guys?
No, sir. No.
Yes.
No, sir.
No, sir. No.
Very good. So all clear, guys? All clear?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Very good. So you are able to identify the even number, you are able to identify the odd number. Even, guys, if I give you the number which I have four, which are having 4 digits like 6, 4, 3, and 2. It doesn't matter whether they are 4 digits number or 5 digits number. You can easily identify the number is even or odd. Just check out the last digit like this. The last digit is 2, so it is even number. If instead of 2, if it is 1, so because 1 is an odd number, that's why you will say the whole number is an odd number. All right, guys, our class time is finished. Inshallah, meet you tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
bye, sir.
Bye.